Hello and welcome to the FastReports Academy. In this video, I'll give you an architecture overview of a typical FastCube application. We'll look at some theory, the demo application, and one application that I've made in another video. Let's begin. This is the main diagram of the FastCube controls that you can use in your applications. We'll start from the middle, and from the non-visual components. The cube is the main component that loads a cube and receives the data. The data can come, for example, from a file, a stream, or from a data source component. This component can store a data source, and it can receive its data from a dataset. There are two dataset components in FastCube: DT dataset that receives the data from a data table, and DB dataset that receives it from a database. So let's imagine we have a cube that has all the data we need. What can we do with it? Firstly, we can display the raw data. This is demonstrated in the cube from code video, where this is done with the cube grid component. Here it is on the form, and here is it in the program. It allows you to easily save the cube into several formats. You can also add a toolbar to the grid. It allows you to easily save the cube into several formats. After you have a cube, you can set up a slice that receives the data from it. The slice itself has been shown in most of the previous videos, so let's skip to the visualization. You can display that slice in a slice grid and add a toolbar, just like with the cube. Here, I'm adding a toolbar to the application and configuring it to control the slice grid. And the last thing to show is the chart. To better demonstrate it, let's look at the demo application. It's a realization of the typical FastCube application. And as you can see, there are three tabs: cross table, slice, source table, cube, and the chart. The chart receives its data from the slice, and the toolbar allows you to easily set the chart's properties, including the chart type and in general the way the data is displayed. And so, this was the overview of the most of the FastCube components. A couple of videos about making sample applications will be in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. And be sure to check out other videos on the channel. We have more videos about FastCube and FastReport.net, and links to the playlists will be in the description.